First, let me walk through your organization setup demo. Once you have registered, you can click sign up and you have to log in first. Login features all comes with OTP. For demo purpose, I am using the demo org, DDS4U demo org. So once you log in, you'll be on the dashboard page. So first thing you have to set up your organization profile. So click the setup, go for organization profile. Here you have to set up all the details of each and every section here. Mobile number, your email ID, you can enter. This is the org code which will reflect in your SMS confirmation and everything which you are sending to the customers. This will be the sender ID. Enter your ABN number, and if you have the WhatsApp number, enter the number, or the organization name, you can change it anytime if you want. Org ID, it's for the internal purpose, demo, and if you want to select the category, you can select the category. Save. Once you are done with the company personal page, then click the present address. Here you can type into the Google search and just select. All the details will get filled out and you can save it. Next, billing address, same. So this is the one-time setup which you are going to do it, which will reflect in your invoices and everything. Pay account, you can enter the PayPal ID here. Every time you have to save each and every section. And bank details, you can give the bank name, account number, branch, PSB number and account number. I'm giving bank account number 5, branch Melbourne, PSB number and account name, some name I have given, and I am saving it. If you want to accept the payments with SquareUp, you have to log into your SquareUp portal and you have the option of creating the location ID, application ID and the access token. You can enter these details and you can save. So the customer will have the option of paying through SquareUp also. Document section, if you want to have some important documents relevant to your company, you can save it here. And regions, this is the postcodes where you are providing the services by your organization. Only thing is you have to enter, for example, you can delete the postcode just by clicking. If you want to add it, you can just add. Like this. Once you add, and finally you can click save. You can see all the numbers I have added here. It has come out. It has saved. So with these only, with the regions only, it shows to the software that these are the places you are able to provide the services. And click the logo section. You can change the logo whenever you want by selecting any logo. I'm selecting one of the logo. So logo got changed. Saved it. And banner images, if you have anything, you can save it here, because these will reflect in your discount booklet, banner advertisements and everything. It should be in the size of 1366 into 479. Should be less than 10 MB. Let me add an image. So banner image is saved, and this image will also reflect into your subdomain website. Then write up. Here you can generate a write up about your company. Now you have to write the write up. In future, we are planning to implement the chat GPT in these places. So you can create the content and you can write up over here and save it. So once you save it, this will reflect into your about us page. I'm showing a demo like this. Just saved it. And video links. If you have any social media videos or any kind of your promotional video, you can just add the link over here. These video links will get reflected with the video section into your subdomain page, which becomes a live website. So I am going to implement this YouTube video into my click save. So I've added the video, and it is the working hours of your organization. By default, some timing will be displayed. You can select whatever the timing you want, 6 to, if you want to select 7, 6 to 5 p.m. Click select. Yes, it's a one-time setup, as I'm telling you. Sunday, your day off. And other days, I'm leaving it by 9. Click save. Here you can give the social media links of your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everything, which will reflect into your personal page. YouTube, I'm giving the so I can just copy and paste, and Facebook, add it, save, finished. And promoted banner, if you want to put any banner here, you can put the same size in the different size. This one will be. I've added a different banner and I've saved it. So your org profile is set up now. Now, next one, you have to set up the personal profile of the person who is going to manage the platform. So if you click the photo icon, you can see the personal profile. Click the personal details. It will be the landing page where you can put the mobile number, first name, gender, last name, email ID, select the gender, date of birth, ABN or AC number, status, that's not required. Generically, we have kept it now. And you can write a short bio of the contractor and click save it. Next, present address, same like the org profile, you have to enter the address. The Google search, it will come and you can save it. Billing address also, pay account. So the contractor, the person admin also is a contractor. So he is also a contractor. He can give his own PayPal ID, bank details, and same like SquareUp details. And documents, he can upload the documents, whatever he wants. Since I'm having a driving school, People have uploaded the driving license front, back, driving authority, everything. And profile picture. You can upload the profile picture. So I uploaded my profile picture here. Request access. This is the request access. As I've told you, contractor can be with multiple companies as a contractor. As a contractor. So if they want to join with any other organization, they have to enter the code, click plus symbol, it will come here and they can save it. They will automatically join into that company as a contractor. Language. The contractor can select what are the languages they know. So this all comes in the search criteria of the admin login. And if they want the vehicle to be registered, they can enter the vehicle details also. Once this all section is finished, they can toggle the personal and org. They have to toggle to the org. Here, the contractor can select the services which they are able to provide the services. This contractor in single services is able to provide save. Again, toggle to org. Any packages they are able to provide, you can select. When services are added by the admin, all the details will be displayed here. And service regions. Here, the contractor can specify on which area he can work, provide his services. For example, the person is living in 20 Rakaya Way. So the address gets selected from the Google API and you can mention how many kilometers they are able to drive. For example, I'm putting as 10 kilometers and I've applied it. The system will select automatically. Plus, and again I can add from Dandenong 10 kilometers, apply automatically, and system will calculate the traveling distance and everything between the customers and the thing. Billing. Here you can select the contractor is as a franchisee, contractor organization or individual contractor, and what is the standard fee they are going to pay monthly, and are they on percentage commission, hourly based charged, or standard fee per customer. You can mention here. I put it as percentage commission as 20%. Have they registered for the GST, yes or no. Available hours to work. So this is the place where you can give the priority to the contractors or the staff. Some staff you will be thinking that okay, I have to give more priority. Here in that scenario you can put them as 200. And total revenue is what they are getting every month. It will be getting displayed. If you want to give a less priority to one contractor, you can put it as 100. The system will grab according to the numbers what you have displayed here and it will allocate the job as round robin method, which will be beneficial for your business. Once we have saved it, then centers. The centers can be also as locations. So whatever the centers, if that contract is able to provide the service, they can select. So in that scenario, jobs will get auto allocated. So once the contractor profile is updated with the personal and the org, that's finished. Now once the personal profile is updated, now you have to click the setup again. What is the service category or product category do you have for your services should be clicked. You can add any number of service category here, which will be displayed into the front end of your buy now booking and also into the subdomain thing. So this is the trial which I have already implemented. If I click it, I can name trial. What is the description? What is the shortcode? Display order mentioned as 0. If I want to activate or inactivate, one click is enough and save finished. If I want to add a category, I'm adding, put it as mechanical short code. I'm putting it's only for software reference and your reference. Putting at number 2, number 1 and saved. So category has been saved. So you can add up all the categories here. Once you added the category, then you have to go for the service centers. You can add the service center here. I added a service center 1, another service center. If you want to edit, you can click edit and you can change these things. Or if you want to add a new one, I'll add a new one, service center. Faulkner Service Center. Services. Address I'm putting as Faulkner. Yes. House number if you want, you can put it demo if you want. And here you can activate, inactivate. And if you think it's a countryside regional area, you can click the regional area. So it will show as countryside. Create. So if you see the service center has been created. Now let us go for the service setup. You have to prepare the list well in advance with the cheat sheet what we have emailed you. Then you can just log into the setup services. You can see the services and products displayed here. We have trial purpose, we have done it too. We are going to add a new service. So this will be the landing page in general. So these are the sections which you have to activate accordingly. You have to decide whether you want to activate this service or inactivate. Just all single click. And this service is a single or a package. It should be displayed only to your staff and you as our admin. You can select it as private. If you select it as public, it will be displayed to the customers also. And skip scheduling, you can select if it is not a service and it's only a product based, then don't want to do the booking, but only you have to send the confirmation and everything for this service, you can keep it as skip scheduling. And if it's a single service or anything, is it package flexible or not? You can select here. If it's a product, you can select. Do you want to promote on this on the top of the page? Select it as promoted. It's a special service or not, you can select it. So it's a DDS4U demo, type of service, org service, service type. So it's a mechanical service. What is the service? Fault finding service. Description will get original cost is $100 and you want to give a discounted cost as $90. Display order as number 3. Store coupon code I come later when we enable the discount coupon code. And for this duration you are going to take 30 minutes. Normally the duration should be in multiple of 15 minutes. And create. Once you click create, the service gets automatically added. Mechanical fault finding. Click it again. Now if you click the pricing, you are given the pricing as $100 and discounted price as $90. When you click the pricing, you can see all the postcodes what you are providing the service will get displayed. And imagine for postcode number 3000 only you want to give it no discount. You can change it to $100 and up to 3005. Let us keep it. You have done, you have saved it. So mechanical fault finding. So pricing has been changed. Now the service details. You can click the service details. Here you can write the description, short descriptions. which will be displayed into your subdomain, and when we integrate into your website, these all parameters will be passed as an API. So it will be getting displayed for the customers. So for this service details, you have to give the description of the service what you are planning to show to the customer. Mechanical services guaranteed. If you want to add, keep on adding it. Fast and services. Once you add these things, you can save it. If you want to add a service image, it's a square image 640 to 640. Click. I'm adding a rough image. So this is saved. Again, if I want to attach this service to only Faulkner Service Center, I can save it. So images gets displayed and services has been added. Let us add one product now. Going to the same again. General same like that. You have to set up services, trial, and name. Fresh flower. Description cost is $200 and I'm putting as $40 discount. Display order as 4. Just for referral I'm showing you. 15 minutes duration. Sorry, before that I have to select the product and display order 4. If you see the columns has changed. Fresh flower, original cost, display order 4. Coupon code I'll show you later. Private or public, made it as public. It's a product and I'm going to promote it and create. So it comes under the product. If I want to add this one, edit. So we click the pricing, the same method. I can change the postcodes pricing accordingly. And image, if I want to add it, I can add it here again. Same method. Added this fresh flow images, saved. And even if I want to add the service description, I can add it here. And if I want to add a package, again I have to select the services, add a package. Here you have to fill up all the things, select as a package. Here you can select OK, trial service type, name as package. Description, original cost is $500, discounted as $200, sorry, $450. Display order again 5 or something, whatever you want. Duration in minutes. It will be 3 hours. And in this package, you can select which are the services you are able to add it. For a mechanical site folding, it can be for 1-day service. If you add it, you can add the trial demonstration can be 1 day, and again add it. Trial purpose demo can be for 1 day, and finally create. So once you have created, the packages will get displayed also into the flowers package. It will be under the services only. So you can create all the services or products or packages in single place. Once you have done all these things, you have to go for the agreement copy. For example, each company will have an agreement between you organization and the customer, organization and the staff, and the service contractor or third party provider or customer cancel agreement. Lot of agreements will be there. You can open this page. By default, couple of agreement samples will be there. If you want to change the customer agreement, click the customer agreement. You can use the organization name will be there. Enter the customer agreement name. Description type is customer agreement, again type or staff agreement, whichever you want, you can select it. Then go to the contents. You can change these contents. You can copy, delete these things and paste your new content. With the editor you can do all the changes. If it's inactive, make it active and save. The purpose of these contracts are whenever customer or a service contractor onboarding by themselves, the first page this agreement will be displayed and they have to go through all those things and finally they have to agree digitally. So digital agreements are being signed automatically. So implement all these things in the first time. As I told you, again it's one time setup. Then once we finish this one, we have to go for the assessments. Every service you need to assess everything. You have to provide the assessment on the services or whatever you are doing. So here you can click the assessment. So give a service as mechanical, give the name of the things, and you are attaching to the mechanical fault finding service. And so this header of the assessment is given linked to this service. Click next. You can put all the questions. That is, imagine this is a car mechanic shed and you added the mechanical service, and when a car comes in, what are the details you have to check in that car, and you have to give a report to your customer in that. For example, headlights condition added, engine oil condition added, and fuel efficiency, and you can save it. So you have attached this assessment to the mechanical services. Like this, you can add any number of assessments attaching to each and every service. So these all, when we do the bookings and when we complete the jobs, you will know how it goes. Then you have to go for the feedback assessment. So in this, after the service is completed, customers can provide feedback on the service how you did. So you are creating a feedback, customer feedback on mechanical services, and you are attaching to the same mechanical fight folding. Next, same, you have to write the questions what you want to ask the customer. How do you rate our service? Will you be recommending our services to your friends, and save it. And if you think the feedback is not required, you can just deactivate and save it, finished. Then main thing, this calendar in this login will be for the person who is the managing the software. So he has to set up the my calendar setting for his availability and everything. When you click the my calendar, you can see the gear icon on the right top. You can click it. So you can select what time to what time regularly they are able to work. If you want to select multiple times, you can also select, and you can add it in between gaps. You can do it and you have to submit. It's a one-time setup. You are going to do it. Then this interacts with the software everywhere based on your working efficiency. Once the my calendar setting is done, if you want to have block your timing, this is the standard setting you have done it. With the gear icon, you have set up the standard working hours for the week. Suddenly during the working hours you have a personal work which you don't want to inform your organization or any other organization where you are working. Click, you can block the calendar, click one of the button here. You are not working from 11 to 12, keep it in that. Click 11, click block, select the end time, multiples of 15, it will be here 15 minutes. And if you want personal notes, you can put it as, if you want you can put it, but it will not be visible to anybody, only you can have a look. For your reference, you can see everything. So you can see the doctor's appointment. So your calendar is blocked, so auto allocation jobs will not be allocated at that point. And now coming to the main point, we have set up the software everywhere. Now we have to customize the color and layout of the color background. Click the setup, go for settings. Here you can configure the entire platform features whatever you want. For example, what is the billing cycle with the customers? It's 1 day, or with the settlement invoice, everything you can mention here. Customer invoice due dates 3 day or 1 week you can mention here. Commission, it's a standard generic setup, you can give everything. Service pricing, tax included or not tax included. And what is the kilometer charge you are going to charge for the traveling between the service centers and the locations to the delivery and everything. I put it as $1.30 per kilometer. Auto allocation request to contractor. If you think auto allocation is not required, you want to do the manual, you can disable them. If you want auto allocation, you can enable it. If any special duration, you can mention it here. And you can mention what is the contractors can reject the job or not. In that scenario, you can mention how many rejections they can do in a month at free of cost. Beyond that, the commission percentage will be charged for them. And book a service icon view is the product and services which will be displayed with the photograph. If you don't want to display with the image, you can just hide it, it will not get displayed. This is the generic settlement, mobile length is 9 minutes. Like this, everything, SMS, email, push notification, if you want to enable or disable, you can put it. You can select which are the email can be triggered to the customers and contractors, which is defaulted design already inserted. And cancellation policy, you can put the website URL over here in your, which is displayed in your website. Present address, what is the configuration complete, these things are you can utilize. Contractor label name, if you want to change it, it will change it as trainer, or if you whatever mechanic or whatever you want, you can change it. Time based booking, select yes. Background color, here is the color coding. For example, this green is coming here, this light green is coming here, so you can see which places it's getting reflected. I'll show you how to change the color. Now. So I'm going for this blue, or I'll go for this maroon color. Okay, this color I'm changing it to. So you can change the color as you wish until you are satisfied with the color combination, or if you have a branded colors, then you can implement it. Click all these things, you can see the color, save, it all gets changed. So it's all white labeling, you can't see anywhere DDS4U platform logo or anything apart from the URL. The, so your platform is ready to set up, and now we will see the menus. Home page, you can see your dashboard of your business, what's happening, total org sales, what is your today's appointment, new customers, how many, what are the old customers, what are the future appointments, how many bookings have happened today, how many contractors are there, everything you can have a glance. If you want, you can select the date range and you can look it also. You can